A limousine crash in upstate New York has left 20 people dead.
Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families following this horrific tragedy.
Officials say it happened in the town of Schoharie, 25 miles west of Albany. They say the limo was carrying 18 people and failed to stop at an intersection. It then struck an unoccupied vehicle in the parking lot of the Apple Barrel Country Store and Cafe.
We heard an explosion, which I know now was the car crash, and these trees just all swayed, and you just heard this swoosh.
Everyone in the limo was killed, as well as 2 pedestrians who were standing nearby. The National Transportation Safety Board is investigating.
20 fatalities is just horrific. I've been on the board for 12 years, and this is one of the biggest loss of lives that we've seen in a long, long time.
While the names of the victims have not been publicly released, some of the victims' family members say the limo was transporting people to visit wineries in the area, according to reports.
At this point in time, we look at everything.
The NTSB says this is the deadliest transportation accident the country has seen since 2009. The Apple Barrel Country Store said it is grieving the loss of life and asked for donations for the local volunteer emergency services. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.